morning, my dear children, and welcome to the final part of our chapter on plant reproduction. Now, in the previous class, we studied all about sexual reproduction in plants, fertilization, formation of fruit and seeds, germination, and agents of dispersal of seeds. So in today's class, we will be focusing completely on vegetative reproduction. If you remember, children, in our previous class, we spoke about reproduction. So what is reproduction? It is the process by which living organisms produce new individuals of their kind. And you all know that plant reproduce through seed, leaf, stem or roots. Plants reproduce in many different ways. Some plants can also reproduce from parts apart from seeds. Now, let us see what is vegetative reproduction. New plants can grow from vegetative parts like stem, root or leaves of a parent plant. This is called vegetative reproduction. I repeat, new plants can grow from vegetative parts like stems, roots and leaves of a parent plant. This is called vegetative reproduction. Now, let us see how vegetative reproduction in plants takes place in various ways. The first one we will be seeing is reproduction from roots. Some examples of vegetative reproduction of roots are carrot, sweet potato, and dahlia. Roots of some plants can give rise to new plants. Some examples are carrot, sweet potato and dahlia. When planted into the soil, birds present on these roots grow as shoots above the ground and give rise to a new plant. Now let us see the next one, which is reproduction from stem. You can see the pictures over here. Stems of some plants may give rise to new plants. Potato, ginger and onion are some stems which grow under the ground. Now when you see the examples of potato and ginger, these are underground stem. You must have noticed that there are very small shoots that emerge from a potato or ginger. You can see new shoot growing from bud over here. then go to the kitchen and you will observe that potatoes have small or several small scars on them, which are called as eyes. These are the small scars. So these are called eyes. These can develop into buds and give rise to new plants. New plants grow from the buds on ginger when it is planted underground. Similarly, an onion bulb planted underground gives rise to new plant. Apart from buds, stem cutting of mint, strawberry, sugarcane, rose, hibiscus and money plant also grow into new plants in favorable conditions. Now let's move on to the next one, that is reproduction from leaves. Now, when you take a leaves, for example, we will take the example of the plant called bryophyllum. Now, bryophyllum plant has very thick leaf. You can see here, these plants are very thick leaf and have buds at the edges. Now, when this leaf dries and falls on the moist soil, the buds grow into new plant. So, this is the reproduction from leaves, where the example is bryophyllum. So with this, we complete the last and the final part of the chapter. Now let's do a quick recap of what all we studied in this class. Firstly, we spoke about vegetative reproduction. What is vegetative reproduction? It is the development of a new plant from the vegetative parts like roots, stems or leaves. Then we spoke about reproduction of plant from root, stem and leaves. Carrot, sweet potato and dahlia are the examples of reproduction of plant from roots. Potato, ginger and onion are some stems which grow under the ground. Leaves of some plants like bryophyllum grow when fall on moist soil. So, this completes the chapter Plant Reproduction. I will see you all in our next class with a new topic, States of Matter. Till then, stay home, stay safe and happy learning. Thank you.